From Edison's times to our days, the lamp socket didn't change at all. 138 years have passed, but we still twist. What if we say that game has changed? You don't need to twist anymore. Just one click. Introducing the Mag Bulb, a revolutionary system which consists of 2 parts and allows installing bulbs in one click. And it's all because of magnets, of course. With Mag Bulb, you no longer need to push and twist the bulb in awkward lampshades. No more extracting broken bulbs using special tools. No pain for people with arthritis. And all those sufferings happen to you when you're balancing high up. Stop it now and start using Mag Bulb. Please support us on Kickstarter.
Wouldn't it be nice to have a refreshing nap on the go? No neck pains, no backaches, no headaches. Sleeping on the road can be a nightmare, especially if you have one of those poorly designed, overly soft memory foams as a travel companion. They just hang behind your neck, weighing you down and giving you no support when you nod off. They are the reason why your jet lag and cramps are worse. That's why we decided to design the TripPal travel pillow. Unlike the old-fashioned pillows, TripPal is made with the human body in mind. It holds your neck in place, supporting the body while you sleep.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm Joshua, founder of TripPal. Did you know the head of an adult weighs as much as a bowling ball? Travel pillows made with memory foams are not designed to take this kind of weight. That's why they leave you with headaches, neck aches, backaches every time you nod off. The new TripPal is a travel pillow that's designed to solve all these problems.
Made from patent-pending HybridFlex dual-layer polyurethane, TripPal is perfectly combining firm core and soft cushioning to produce a blend that is comfy, supportive, lightweight, and flexible. It is easy to carry, easy to use, and extremely comfortable. TripPal keeps your neck and back in place as you sleep, preventing strains that leads to backaches and neck pains. It also feels cool. Yes, you heard right. The innovative ice-cool fabric with silk touch and air-track design keeps out the heat while you sleep, keeping you cool for your trip. No more itching and discomfort. Travel has just gotten a lot better. You can use TripPal anywhere, whenever you need a nap away from home. The travel pillow comes in different sizes. It's comfort not just for you, but for your loved ones too. Now you can take that nap. Stay fresh, refreshed, and relaxed. TripPal has got your back. Thank you for supporting us on Kickstarter.
I need to buy a diving computer, and I want to buy an underwater camera. But buying both of them is too expensive. Is there any way to solve this problem with one product? When your smartphone meets Diveroid, it's possible. Introducing Diveroid, which will make your diving experience safe and fun. Do you have to buy a new housing every time you purchase a new smartphone? With Universal Pro Housing, you can insert and use any kind of smartphone regardless of the size and brand, such as Apple, Huawei, Oppo, Xiaomi, LG, and Samsung. It even has a heatsink system that prevents fogging and a double O ring structure with a 60-meter waterproof functionality. Meet the best multifunctional underwater housing equipped with compatibility and durability at a reasonable price. The Mini is a small diving computer and it is very simple to use. Download the Diveroid app, connect with your smartphone, and you're ready. Diveroid works underwater as both a diving computer and a camera. Check diving computer information such as NDL, depth, and time while taking pictures. The most important thing while diving is safety. 6 different alarms, including slowdown and safety stop functions, are responsible for your underwater safety. Enjoy taking professional underwater videos with various angles. Diveroid provides 4 camera modes: ultra-wide angle, zoom, and selfie. 4K video mode enables you to take vivid videos of the beautiful underwater ocean. Still not satisfied with your pictures even after using the red filter? The real-time software-based red filter feature will optimize the color in any environment. That was a great dive! Let's take a look at the pictures we took today. A photo-synced logbook with depth information is automatically created. Check your diving records at a glance. Why don't we make a logbook link and send our diving records to family and friends? Add depth, graphs, and diving data to your best shots and share them on Instagram using the Diving Story sharing feature. Experience a new diving world with Diveroid. All-in-one dive gear, Diveroid.
Before you even realize it, winter will be here, and we all know what that means. Spending cozy nights at home watching your favorite shows. Taking your dog out for a walk while texting your friends about weekend plans. Or maybe not. Yes, we know that feeling of trying to use your phone with your gloves in the craziest of ways. Some say there are solutions to this out there. Not very practical. Not the best looking. Let's face it, that is not going to cut it, but Maestrale will. Introducing Maestrale Napoli. Italian leather touchscreen gloves. Because we all deserve gloves that look great and actually work with our phones. Born from years of R&D, we treat our leather to work seamlessly with any smartphone or touchscreen. Gone are the days of getting your hands frozen because the ATM doesn't detect your gloves. There is more to Maestrale. They are made in Naples, Italy. Using our sustainably sourced leather, each glove is handmade by expert craftsmen in their bottega, using skills passed on from one generation to the next. The mastery of trade and excessive attention to detail are what differentiate an ordinary glove from a Maestrale glove. They feature a double elastic band that adjusts to your wrist to keep your hands warm. An exceptionally soft cashmere lining in a thoughtfully selected complementary color. Carefully placed stitching to ensure the best fit. Have you ever heard the expression, fits like a glove? Well, thanks to our design and measuring system, Maestrale does just that. We have the technology, we have the design, and we have the quality. All that is missing is your support to make Maestrale a reality. For a limited time, join us now to get the best price. Oh, and if you get them, this will never happen again.
Hey Siri, call Polina.
Calling police station.
No.
Well, he's in. Are you?
This is a chameleon watch, the easiest watch to take on and off that fits your wrist perfectly. They say one size fits all doesn't exist in the fashion industry. I didn't want to believe the rumors, especially when it came to my watch. My small wrists were hurting for one that fit just right, but more often than not, the bands were either too loose or too tight. What was even worse was how all of them I tried on were difficult to take on and off. I searched and searched, but with no success. That was when we at Chameleon decided to innovate it ourselves. With 35 different sizing options, the 8 holes on a traditional watch band are now obsolete. Just simply feed the band through the buckle to where it feels most comfortable. Truly one size fits all. No more holes, no more wear and tear, no more worries. In addition, taking it on and off is as quick as 1 second. Again, feed it through to get it on, and then click the 2 buttons on the side of the buckle for a smooth release. Never has the process been easier. And what sense is it to make a fun widget, watch band, without a sexy watch face to go with it? Something for everyday wear and at the same time, formal enough for those special occasions. Oh, and did we mention it's scratch resistant? You can even swap out the band with a quick release pin found on the back of each watch, allowing your watch to fit your own personal style. We are eager and ready to start shipping our watches to the world, and need your support to know how many we need for our first supply order. Thanks for watching. Please back us today.